Hi guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be taking you step by step on how I achieve this soft lock. If you're my oldest subscriber, thank you so much honey for coming back. But if you're new in this family, you're welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, consider subscribe and turn on notification bell. Also help me to share this video with your loved one. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So as you can see, my hair is short, so I just try to find a style that will fit in this week, and I decided to go with locks. Today I will do seashell shapes, but you may do any kind of shape that you want. And after I make the section, I go ahead and prepare the base. Here I do cornrows, and I do 3-way cornrows. And then I braid my hair. I didn't braid my hair till end. I just braid several steps just to make sure the section is clean and well secured. Even when I crochet the hair, the section will not unravel. And then I stop and I jump into other section. So again, I just separate my hair into 3 sections, and then I start braid. The way I braid is normal way, but if you don't know how to braid, you can see closely like how I do, how I move my finger, because this is very easy way. Then I continue to section my entire head and create the base first before I continue make locks.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping?
Now I'm done to create the base, and this is how the sections looks like. So I go ahead and start make locks back, and this is how the locks looks like. So I use this Fluffy Kinky. This is the second time I use this hair. The first time I show how to crochet it, and as you can see in this pack, they also show different method you can use. One is crochet, another method is lock, and I decided to make locks. So before I make lock, I make sure I stretch the hair first. So I just pull the hair, I pull the whole hair, just make sure the hair is well stretched. This hair is so big and so easy to stretch, so it took me really very short time to stretch this hair. And if you stretch this hair well, this is how this hair will look like. So after this, I just go ahead and take very small section, just like this way, and then remaining hair I just cut into two. And I go ahead and stretch another piece. This piece I separate into three. Hopefully this makes sense. The first one I cut into two. The second piece I stretch, I divided that hair into three. The section, they are just same like this size. And also you need crochet needle. This is the piece I cut. So before I crochet, I make sure I roll to make it easy for this hair to pass through. And then I crochet. When you crochet, just put the hair in a crochet needle and then pull to other side. To make it easy to take down, I make sure the other side is just same length like my natural hair. Then I take new piece. This is that small pieces I divide. I hold almost the end of this hair and then I start wrapping. When you're wrapping, don't wrap too tight because you don't cause too much tension. Just wrap gentle and then make sure the locks hold well and you cover your natural hair. And then keep wrapping till end of the first hair.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
Just like this way, I just put together and I take another piece. I just hold almost end and then I move back like 2-3 steps. Then I start wrap a little bit back. I didn't start wrap just the place the previous lock, and I just wrap a little bit back to cover that section and to make that that previous section to be locked well. Then I continue wrap till end. Here you may decide the length you want, but for me I just want the length up to my chest. So after that I just wrap backward. And then I continue make locks, and before I finish with this lock I make sure I secure twice. And then I continue wrap till end. After I finish wrapping, I just put the lock on my palm and I roll just to make sure everything locked in well.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. Maybe it's not enough. doesn't dream. So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough. Maybe it's not enough. Baby, I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really